Hi guys.
Hi.
We were in Sephora the other day and Peter took a photo of some ad for Giorgio Armani, I think it was.
Yeah, I can't
It
remember.
had Kendall Jenner on it and he was like, this is such a nothing photo. And she would have got paid squillions for this. So
Yeah.
let's try and do something similar and take the same feel, but I reckon Beck can do a better photo of it. So now we're going to see if I can do better than the Kendall photo.
We're changing a couple of things. Like, I'm certain Ez would have been taken in a big studio with professional hair and makeup and the whole works.
And she would have been really bored. Well, at least she shows it on her face.
But we're just going to use a white wall and some natural light. Her hair was wet, but we decided we didn't like that look, so we didn't do the wet hair look. So that's what we're going. Cool. So I'm tethered up with the Lycra. I've got a 75mm on. I was tossing up if to put a 50 on and be a bit closer, but I'll just see how I'm liking what I'm seeing. I haven't taken taken one frame of a white wall. That's all I've done so far. So I'm just going to get a frame, just check my exposure. So I'm 1600 ISO, I'm 5.6, 160th of a second. Cool. Yeah, I'm happy with the lighting on this. It's pretty much the same sort of light, the feel of the light that was on the picture we're copying.
Not copying.
Sorry, the picture we're not copying. We're taking a picture and making it better. I'm going to crop just a little bit loose. Normally I like to crop it perfect in camera, but I think with the way Beck's going to hunch and stand upright, I'm going to have problems with a perfect crop. So I'm just going to set this up so I've got a little bit of room with the crop. Cool. And this is also a bit of a push on Beck because I want a killer shot. It's a bit sleepy. I just want one picture to work. Oh, that's cool. Because literally this is us just starting. You can't expect the model just to switch on the split second you start shooting. Yeah, I'll work with that. So I just want to get the look in this to the look that's sort of very much like the picture. So I might just use one of my LUTs. I'm just going to use it's a very simple, just black and white convert LUT that I made up. It's not pushing any one channel, it's actually very neutral with its channels. Beck's skin tones come down exactly where I want it. I'm getting a lot of glare through the windows and that's no use me trying to fine tune this picture a lot, but it's going to give me the feedback I want while I'm shooting. And we'll just start shooting away. So Beck knows what the shot is, but I'm not reminding her, I'm not showing it because I don't want to copy that exact pose because that was Kendall's shape, that's not going to be Beck's shape.
And I don't need to see the photo again.
Oh, splatter cheeks. Don't need to see the photo ever again. Oh my God.
Well, it's just a nothing photo. She looks bored.
All right, so we're doing this without music because of copyright. Normally, if I was wanting to get an emotive shot, I would definitely have music on. But I'm just gonna try and push Beck's buttons. She did something the other day at a workshop. So she proved she can do it without music. She proved that she could lie with her eyes, say one thing but make her eyes look something completely different. So I'm just going to work on that, and it's the difference in the shot that I reckon we're going to get will be the eyes and the look. Cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. So I'm doing a couple of different. Cool. That's really pretty. I don't want Beck to be able to time my click, but I want her to start feeling when she gives a look. I'm going to click, nearly like I'm her selfie stick. I think we got one already, but we'll keep going. So yeah, I'm just going to let Beck freestyle for a bit, then I might come in and see if I can plant a story or a different story to see what look we'll get. Cool. Nice. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's really cool. Yeah, just work with your tricks you've learnt now. So we've got no music, we know nothing. We're doing a picture that Beck doesn't really like anyway, but we're making it better.
It's really hot and stuffy.
The room's a bit hot and stuffy because we shut the windows because we're near an airport. It was very loud. But this is what makes a really good model, is the ones that can turn everything else off and then come with a killer picture that you'd expect would have been in that perfect environment. Cool. Cool. That's really cool. I like that. I'm just going to keep giving Beck just a little bit of a break every now and then because blinky, blinky, blinky. Oh, there we go.
Are we having one of those days again where you keep getting the blinky shots?
There are a few blinkies, but that's I think they're my second clicks. Right, so I've seen a couple I like.
But I can do better.
Well, no, I now want to take the next level. We've got what's the story?
Yeah.
So at the moment, I've got your cute dumb faces, and I've got your pretty faces, and I've got slightly stronger faces.
Right.
Which one are we going to go for? What do you reckon? I know you've never smelt the perfume, but if I guess, what do you reckon the feel to sell that perfume is going to be?
Do it.
They don't care. It's just they're using influenza. They don't give a rat's.
Yeah.
Right. So if we want to make more sales than that picture can get, what do you reckon? What's your vibe for a perfume? I know without smelling. If you had a smell, you'd say, "Oh, yeah, this is tough, or this strong,
it's hard.
this
I
cute."
don't know what the perfume
Well,
smells
make
like.
up your own. So you can more get on point with an exact style. Am I making sense?
Yeah, it says without knowing the perfume, with the photo that we're trying to take the feel of having zero feel, because she just looked bored. It's really hard to.
So you think we should do bored perfume?
But based off the ad, it looks like it would be a boring smell. So
Well, you think it smells like toilet lollies?
that sounds more exciting.
Yes. Oh, no, just even if all right. So do you just pick a style you're going to go with?
All right. Yeah, no, I
Now-
was starting to think maybe I'll go towards soft and pretty.
Yeah, I think soft and pretty works.
All right.
With a little bit of a, I don't like using this word, seductive eye. Just that, yeah, but not in that way.
I
That,
know.
all right. Not a big fan of that word, but I don't know any other word to. It's just like just finishing the shot off with the eye. Cool. That's really cool. Cool. So now I've gone into what I call film mode. So I'm clicking and literally in my head advancing the next frame of film through. So I can't click too quick, which then gives Beck time to reset for each picture. Because back in the days of the supermodels in the 90s, it was all shot on film. So it would be more click, click.
Yeah.
There was some cameras that had motor drive, but nice. I normally talk a lot, but I'm trying to let Beck just get into her own head. Cool, that's really cool. That's really cool. That's really pretty. Nice, nice. That's really pretty. I really like that. It's really pretty. I reckon we gotta have something. Well, I hope we have.
I hope so too.
Otherwise, I would have just wasted 10 rolls of film on you. I'm just gonna have a quick look.
Oh yeah. I can hardly see from the glare, but oh yeah, some of these are really pretty. Surely we've got something.
Surely.
Surely.
I'm certain we've got something.
Yeah.
So, yeah, when I decide on the final picture, I'm just going to then just do a little bit of retouching, very little, just to make it to the same level as the picture of Kendall.
It's already, the lighting's already cleaned up pretty much everything.
Yeah, I know, natural light's beautiful.
We hope you enjoyed that. We'll throw up some other little quick travelling Airbnb videos on the screen now.